Smart's offering in the flat panel space. So the first one is Ultra HD 4K imagery. So this really allows for those brilliant, detailed images on your screen, really allowing that lesson content to come to life. This is great for classrooms with lots of ambient light, or perhaps where students in the back have a hard time seeing the front of the board. Now those images will come to life on your screen with 4K Ultra HD. As with all Smart products, Smart's new interactive flat panel is designed for the classroom with education in mind. The premium touch experience you get with this panel offers a low friction coated surface, which allows your finger to glide smoothly across the screen where you don't feel that burn or hot feeling on your finger after prolonged use on the display. One of the really exciting features with this new interactive flat panel is a feature called Pen ID, and this is Smart's first display ever with this feature. And what it is it allows two users to work at the display at the same time independently. If I come up to the display and I want to write in red ink, and a classmate of mine comes up and wants to write in black ink, we can do that at the same time without being locked into one another's color choices. This is really important when you talk about students being able to work independently but within the same space. If you think about an example of maybe a paragraph where you're underlining the verbs in red and the nouns in black, this is really taking away the technology from a barrier in the classroom into enhancing the pedagogy and allowing the students to really take control of their learning. One of the features that we've included in this interactive flat panel is called object awareness. So you might be familiar with this with some of Smart's past interactive whiteboard technology, and we've built that into this display as well. So that allows you to recognize the difference between a pen, a finger, and your palm or fist as an eraser without having to manually switch modes within the software itself. This basically allows that really intuitive, natural feel within the classroom and allows that lesson content to flow seamlessly. As with all Smart interactive displays, the new interactive flat panel offers multi-touch collaboration. So this display has up to 4 touch points, so we usually recommend that up to 2 students can be up there gesturing and working with content at the same time. For more information on this product or any other products offered from Smart, visit smarttech.com or our YouTube channel at Smart Classrooms.